Swadhar IDWC was started in the year 1995 by our founder president Meenakshi Apte. She was the head of the department Family and Child Welfare TISS, that is Tata Institute of Social Sciences. That is the time when it was the International Year of the Women, and there was a need felt for helping women in distress, and an organization would help. So she set up this organization with the help of two other founder members. Swadhar's work, which started with family counseling centers, increased to address the needs of adolescent girls and support for their higher education. We started Project Mohar and Rays of Hope to cover children in need of survival and protection. We also began work for the overall development of children in urban slums, and thereafter we also started the work of strengthening families and communities, because we found that this was the only way to make our work sustainable. Akshardeep was started in 1998 and has now completed 25 years of work. The work has expanded to nomadic communities also, such as the Untawala, Bhavishya Wale, Godadi Wale, and so on. And it has helped in creating an environment which is conducive for the education and overall development of underserved children from birth to 18 years of age. All this is done with the participation of parents and community. The Vastis where we work are situated in the PMC and PCMC areas. In these areas, parents and families deal with a daily battle of survival, and it leaves very little room for prioritizing the education and development of their children. Akshardeep started with alternate classes for out-of-school children in the Bibewadi slum area before the Right of Education Act was passed in 2009. At that time, it was realized that more efforts were required at various levels to address the issues of retention and quality of education. Hence, the project evolved into a multi-pronged approach to address the needs of these children and keep pace with emerging learning methods and policy changes in multiple Vastis.
बस्ती में 3 से 6 साल उम्र के बच्चों के लिए आसपास बालवाड़ी और आंगनवाड़ी नहीं है, इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ पे बालवाड़ी का वर्ग लेते हैं। बालवाड़ी वर्ग प्रकल्प पद्धति पे आधारित है। प्रकल्प पद्धति में फल, फूल, सब्जी, वाहन, इस प्रकार के 18 प्रकल्प हम लोग यहाँ पे लेते हैं। प्रकल्प पद्धति भाषा, गणित, शास्त्रीय, सामाजिक ऐसी 16 संकल्पनाओं पर आधारित है। इस संकल्पनाओं के द्वारा बच्चों को सिखाया जाता है। इससे बच्चों की पूरी तरह से शाला पूर्व तैयारी हो जाती है।
जब बच्चे सपोर्ट क्लास में दाखिल हो जाते हैं तो पहले उनकी बेसलाइन लेकर स्तर निश्चित करके साल का टारगेट निश्चित किया जाता है। पहली से चौथी के भाषा और गणित विषय के मूल संकल्पना लेकर शैक्षणिक साहित्य द्वारा बच्चों को सिखाया जाता है। ये शैक्षणिक साहित्य शिक्षिका खुद बनाती है। एक सेंटर में सुबह सपोर्ट, दोपहर सपोर्ट और बालवाड़ी ऐसे 2 घंटे के 3 वर्ग लिए जाते हैं।
At Akshardeep, poetry, storytelling, drama helps socio-emotional learning of children and foster creativity, communication, critical thinking, self-esteem, collaboration, and empathy. Values described in our constitutions are also conveyed in a fun-way method. 4 events are organized in a year, keeping in mind holistic development of children. Fortnightly, science experiments kindles their curiosity. Sports competition and annual day ensure that every child gets an opportunity to participate. Exposure visits are also planned to explore the world around us.
2009 में शिक्षा का अधिकार कानून आ गया। इस कानून की इंफॉर्मेशन सब बस्ती में देने के लिए पेरेंट मीटिंग, पथनाट्य, पोस्टर एग्जीबिशन लिया जाता है। इससे हर पेरेंट को उनका स्कूल में जाके क्या बोलने का, क्या करने का, उनके बच्चों के लिए जो जो प्रॉब्लम आते हैं वो कैसे सॉल्व करने के इसकी इन्फॉर्मेशन दी जाती है। इससे ही हमने पेरेंट्स से पालक मंच तैयार किया है। ये पालक मंच स्कूल में जाते हैं और जो बच्चों के जो जो प्रॉब्लम होते हैं वो प्रॉब्लम सुलझाने के लिए वो कोशिश करते हैं।
पण आता काय ते मॅडम आम्हाला सांगतात दर मीटिंगमध्ये की त्याच्यामध्ये काय काय मदत केल्या जाऊ शकते, काय आपण बोलू शकतो। तर ते आम्ही समजून घेतलं आणि आमच्या इथल्या वस्तीतल्या मुलांनाही आम्ही इंदिरानगरच्या शाळेमध्ये दाखल केलं।
मेरे बच्चे का मतलब कुछ भी नहीं था, आधार कार्ड भी नहीं उनके, दाखला भी नहीं, तो मैडम ने जाके मेरे को बहुत सपोर्ट किया था। मेरे को बोलने को भी नहीं आता था। मेरे बच्चे बहुत आगे गए।
जवळच्या गव्हर्नमेंट स्कूलमध्ये त्यांना दाखल करून आज त्यांचा वर्ग 1ली ते 7वी ते 7वीच्या पुढेही असेल तर त्यांना शिकवण्याचं काम करते।
At Akshardeep, we have monitoring system in place. The supervisory staff conduct the classroom and sector visits. These visits are very crucial for us as they help us to capture the key areas that need improvement. They help us to assess whether children are achieving the planned competency level, ensuring the timely distribution of material and stationery into the classroom. Feedback from monitoring reports, their observations and analysis help us to identify the gaps and plan to build the capacities of both grassroots workers and supervisory staff. Through our pedagogy center, we focus on documenting and improving our teaching learning methods, materials. Our commitment to continuous improvement drives us to create a space where innovation and learning go hand in hand.